How to turn on auto-fire in Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to get better at Fortnite gameplay, then you can go ahead and enable the auto-fire feature. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Fortnite on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS. Once you're inside the Fortnite game after logging in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the menu, click on the gear button at the top. Inside this menu, go ahead and click on touch and motion at the top, which is this button over here. Click on that and you'll end up in this touch controls option. Now here, scroll down and get to fire modes and turn on the auto fire feature. After you select it to on, click on apply at the bottom and you have enabled auto fire in Fortnite. Auto fire is mainly a mobile-only feature. On PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, you'll need to manually shoot using your controller or your mouse. Once you enable auto fire, in Fortnite it'll automatically shoot your weapon when your crosshair is aimed at an enemy. So that's it. That is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.